everyone. Today we are going to learn logical operators in JavaScript. Before knowing the logical operators in JavaScript, there are some things that we have to know about. First is what are truthy values and what are falsy values. There are 8 set of values. Those are considered as falsy in JavaScript. Those are 0, minus 0, 0n, not a number, empty string, undefined, false, and null. Rest all are truthy values. These things you have to remember when you are performing logical operators. Next is Boolean coercion. Boolean coercion is conversion of one data type to other data types. For example, if you do a condition like 30 here we have given A is 32 and B is hello. If you perform condition like A and B, A and B, how the values are compared here. A is not true or false, or B is not true or false, but A has the value 32, B has the value hello. Here what happens? A value is converted to either truthy values or falsy values. Because A is having 32, it is converted to truthy. Here we see the rest all are, except these things, rest all are converted to truthy values. So 32 and hello are converted to truthy values, whereas in C is undefined. Undefined is a falsy value. C is converted to false. When you do A and C here, A and C is converted to false value. This is how the logical operator works here. Then in other programming languages, when you perform logical operators, it returns either true or false, but not in case of JavaScript. It returns either one of the operand. How we know what operand it returns is when we perform, for example here, console log A and get name, the function which I'm calling here. How you in AND operator, both the values should be true. It should compare both the values. Both the values should be true. First thing what it does is first it compare the value of the first operand. If it is true, then only it go. You have to remember this. If it is true, then only it goes to the second place, or else it returns the first value. If the first value is false, it always returns the first value. Because it is false, it will not even go to the second place. It will not even go to the second operand. How we know is, for example, we here A is 32. Because it is true, it should go to this function. Let's execute this and check. Here get name is console.log. It's a Maddie school. You're getting that return statement. In the second scenario, imagine A is false. Here we give A as not a number. Not a number is converted to a falsy value. It should not return me the Maddie school value here. It should not even go to this function. The first value should be returned. Not a number. The first value is returned. Now you know, right? In the AND operator, what should happen? If the first value is false, the first value is returned. The second value is true or false, always the second value is returned. This is about the AND operator. Next is when we are coming to OR operator. OR operator, either one of the value should be true. Either one of the value should be true. Either A should be true or the second operand should be true. Here A is false. If A is true, it will not even go to the second place. It will not even check. It will simply return the first value. For example, we give 32 here. A is true. I should get 32 now. 32. I got it. Okay. In case if A is falsy value. Okay. It should go to the second value and check. Now it is going to the second value and check if it is true or false. If it is true or false, if the first value is true, it will always return the first value. If the second value is either true or false, always the second value is returned. To summarize, in JavaScript, logical operators are performed on truthy values or falsy values. There are 8 set of falsy values: 0, minus 0, 0, n, not a number, empty string, undefined, false, and null. And the rest all are converted to truthy values. This conversion is called Boolean coercion. In AND operator, if the first value is false, first value is returned. Second value is either true or false, always the second value is returned. And in OR operator, the first if the first value is true, the first value is returned. The second value is either true or false, always the second value is returned. Thank you.